I'm Jenna, and this is my contestant video for New Belgium's Tour de Fat bike swap. As you can see, I'm one of the 2 clowns that attends the San Francisco Tour de Fat each year. And this year I would really like to try my hand at this competition. I think that I'm a good candidate, and my car is a good candidate. For those on the street that are in their own vehicles. The other day the Hubcap tried to attack some people on the road. They weren't very happy with me. There, it's really pretty. Gross. There he is. It's kind of a hobby of mine. If I take this car off the road, that will be 5,000 less miles that a vehicle will put on this year. Going back and forth from school to work to the farmer's market and of course the liquor store to pick up some New Belgium brew so that I can ready myself for the zombie apocalypse. I think this would be a really great challenge for me, and I think it would also be able to start a sea of change. There's a really nice bike community here in Santa Cruz, so there's a lot of support. And I think that if I did it for 1 year, I might be able to do it every year, forever and ever, and maybe inspire some other people to do it, riding around in a clown suit. He's my clown companion. He's going to need a baby schlepper if we win the bike, so that I can take him to the beach. That's his favorite thing to do. I think he ate his clown nose. Beer.